Today I will show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share it with others. Let's get started. Open your browser, search for Google Drive. Click on the first result. Click Go to Drive. Click New. Select File, Upload. Choose the video you want to share. Click Open. Wait for the video to upload. Refresh your tab. Right-click on your video. Select Share. Click on Share. Click on the Access drop-down menu. Select anyone with the link. Click on the Roll drop-down menu and select Viewer. Click Copy Link. Click Done. You can now share this link with your friends, family, and coworkers. Just paste this link into an email, text message, or social media to share it with others. They can watch or download it. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.